Where are we, Anne? I know we're in Hong Kong.
We're in Hong Kong.
We don't actually know where we are particularly. Only Andy knows. Look at the size of this train station. We're on the Beijing Road. There they are, all the boys. There they are. Look at this for a screen. They've really got some great stuff here. Place is cool. Little houses and trees, massive trees growing in amongst the houses. We love that. The Canton Tower is very nicely lit. The whole place is pretty spectacular.
A brilliant view from the restaurant in the morning at the Sitting Out Hotel.
Found a great place here in Guangzhou. Be careful you don't get run over by an electric bike. There's our train. Have a look at this. I'm in Hong Kong, high-rise buildings everywhere, and I've just come across a football pitch in the middle of the place, completely surrounded by massive tower blocks. Listen to the silence. Everybody on electric scooters. Andy is trying out glasses that translate into English as the guy speaks to him. As anybody that knows me will know, this is totally my type of sightseeing. I love to see little streets and random wires and routes. And look at this here. And then when you look around here, look at all the air conditioning units. How do they ever sort the cables out? Look. How do they know what's for what? That is absolutely my kind of sightseeing, that is. The trams, there's buses, there's trams, there's so much here. I should be going on one of those trams later and have a look around Hong Kong with the boys when they little. On the tram, going through Hong Kong to Kennedy Town, which is where the escalators start. There's Robert, there's Andy. Look at the view. Me and Fred just outside Wan Chai Market in Hong Kong, waiting for the boys. Just have a look at some of this, some of the fish. It's amazing, amazing. What a great, amazing place. Last day today, it's all very dark and hot in Hong Kong on a Sunday. We're on the tram, we're going to the escalator zone. Fred, how you feeling? Fred's feeling a lot better now. Aren't you, Fred? Would you say you're like a new man? Yeah, do you feel inspired and sparkling? No. No? Do you ever feel inspired and sparkling? No. We're on the ferry.
We're on the ferry.
Going across Hong Kong Harbour. There's Fredster. Fred, say hello. Look at the place! Look at that! Look at the clouds on the mountains behind the buildings, look! It's some magic.